By the way, I am waist training. Hello, ladies. Oh my goodness, it has been such a very long time since the last time I made a video, but here I am showing up. Today I am going to prep my hair to install a new set of braids. I have already started. Here because I noticed that time is passing by and I am not installing my new set of braids simply because I am expecting perfection. Like, I am forcing myself to do perfect braids and everything. Like, my mind always forces me into doing things perfectly. And so I was like, oh my goodness, like, that is just too much of a burden to carry. And I just started braiding my hair yesterday. The date today is the 30th of October. And I believe I took down my braids in September. I don't even know when I took down my braids. My hair has just been out. I have just been living from braid out to braid out, from braid out to braid out. I am not proud, Shem. I am not proud. But that is the beauty of what is called a journey. Like, this is my life, this is reality. This is life, okay? I don't always stick to my routine, and that is okay because the most important thing is to just get back up. But one good thing is that I have been anointing my hair. Oh, and another thing that I have decided that I am installing a new set of braids right now, as you can see. But how I will go about it this time is that I am not going to wait until I finish my whole head like I normally do, because that you are like, I'm tired of collecting footage over maybe 3 weeks and it turns into a 2-hour video, even longer than that. And I have to edit that and push it to be like under an hour. And so now what I am going to do is that I am going to upload as I go. Yeah, but I'm going to do this video, whatever it is that I'm going to show you today, and I'm going to upload it maybe tonight or maybe tomorrow, I don't know. And then continue doing my hair. Like, I will post as I go. That is what I have decided, because I really do hate editing, Shem. Yeah, but so I editing is just not something that I enjoy doing. I haven't washed my hair since the last time I uploaded a wash day video right here. And I do have itching, but it's nothing crazy, it's normal. What I did last night is that I just took my hair butter and I anointed my hair and did these chunky braids. That was part of the prep. That was part of me preparing my hair for mini braids. I am trying to say that before, like, when you're about to install your braids, start on stretched hair. Like, you don't have to use a blow dryer, just do chunky braids and your hair will be stretched. And other people start on freshly washed hair, but that is not what I do. I don't wash my hair that much, so I don't start on freshly washed hair. I don't know if you've noticed, but I am wearing my length check shirt today because we are going to do a length check. And I know that my hair is short, Geshem. I know that I had a setback. Like, I am not even anxious for this length check. Like, we are just going to do it. Whatever length I get, I will appreciate it because that is what I deserve. for all this time that I was just neglecting my hair and not moisturizing it. Not only did I slack in terms of anointing my hair, I also stayed a very long time. I stayed a very long time with just loose hair. I was just wearing braid out after braid out. And because I have fine hair, my hair thrives in braids, okay? And so whatever length I get right now, I am just going to appreciate it, guys. I'm telling you no lies, because I was such a bad girl. And the things that I say on this channel, that you must show up for your hair, that if you don't take care of your hair, you are going to reap exactly those fruits, okay? The things that I say on this channel, they apply to me too. I am not immune to that. If I don't take care of my hair, I am also going to reap such fruits, okay? And so I know that my hair is probably not even press strap anymore, but it is still very healthy. I am just very grateful for that. It is still very healthy and very thick. I'm just going to part my hair. I am going to have parts that are not so perfect, but they are not going to be crooked, because like I said, there is something in me that just demands perfection, okay? So they are not going to be that bad, but they are not going to be that meticulous as last time. Okay. Golden rule: you must recycle your parts. I always say this. Okay, so let us do this length check. I'm not going to do the front. I'm only interested in the back, okay? To see exactly where I am starting from. I think, let me just comb this part. Only the parts that I'm going to pull down. Yeah. Do you see how short it is? It's probably shoulder length. I need something to mark that with. What am I gonna use? Let me quickly go grab something. But let me see in the mirror. I think it is exactly a brush strap. I'm looking at the mirror right now. So I am still brush strap length. Okay, so I don't have to mark it then. The look. By the way, guys, I am waist training. I I managed to get down to size super small. Before I was a size small, and then I leveled down to size super small, but I couldn't put it on the very last loop. Yeah, about those three, whatever those are. I could only put it on the first. And now the great news is that I am on the third. And I am still brush strapped. Oh, like that is just amazing, sure. That my hair is still at brush strap. Maybe it's because I have been anointing it right now, even though I was wearing braid out after braid out. Like, of course, I wasn't expecting length retention with all the shenanigans that I was doing. Yo, of course, I didn't retain length, but I maintained it, and yo, that is just great, bitch, man. So that is how I prep my hair for braids, you guys. I am not looking for perfection this time. all done. Okay, so I am done with all of this side. And I think I'm going to do this side off camera. The next time I film another video with you guys, I will be doing my back. Maybe that is tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. It's already late now and I need to train my body. So I don't think I will do this side today. Maybe I will just do it tomorrow. I am just grateful that I still have breast drop length and that I still have healthy hair. I am just very happy for that, and I am going to see you guys in another video. Oh, and by the way, I am back on Facebook. I have been on a social media detox for I think over a year. I don't know. I am really not sure. I had deactivated my Facebook and my Instagram, and I don't know, man. I just felt led to reactivate my Facebook account, and I created a Facebook page, and you guys can follow the Facebook page. I post the I post the same things that I post here on YouTube. I'm also going to create a Facebook group for us. If you are someone who lives with mini braids, then you can join the group. If you use hair grease on your hair, if you use hair butter on your hair, you can join the group. My goal for the group is for people who are exclusively anointed, okay? If you don't spritz water into your hair, if you don't use creams on your hair, then you can go and join the group. Of course, you can join the group even if you're not on the journey but are considering it, or maybe you've tried it before and it didn't work and maybe you wanna test it out again. I don't know. I just want us who are exclusively anointed to just come together and share and just be on this journey together and share our struggles together and encourage each other and just always keep each other updated. But okay, this is what I am going through in my hair journey. Yabo, and then someone comes with a solution, whatever. I will leave the details here under this video in the description box and maybe in the community section. Okay, so I appreciate that you spent your time with me on today's video. I am going to see you in another video. If you haven't subscribed, then subscribe to the channel and let us just grow our hair together. Okay, so bye guys. I am going to see you very soon, maybe a day after tomorrow. Maybe on the 1st of November. 1st of November, 2nd of November, I'm going to upload progress on my braids again. I'm actually going to braid my hair with you guys like I did today. And we'll be doing the back, not this part. This part will be braided by then. Okay, so bye guys.